Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Luma AI and Leonardo AI. So let's get started. In 2026, Luma AI excels at quick, realistic text-to-video and image-to-video with strong physics and lighting, which is great for creators needing cinematic flair, while Leonardo AI shines as a robust image generator with impressive style control and animation of stills, perfect for game art and concept design, though Luma often leads in overall video motion quality and ease of use for quick clips. So let's go into it. Deep dive. Let's start with Luma AI. You see, Luma AI's strengths are: 1. It is known for realistic physics. 2. Lighting. 3. Natural motion. Then we have the bridging static images to cinematic video. And it is great for quick, visually stunning video clips and transforming footage with simple prompts. For example, turning live actors into scene prompts. What or who is it best for? Luma AI is best for creators wanting easy, high-quality video generation with an intuitive interface, especially for motion and lighting. Now, what are the limitations? Historically, it has had slower rendering, and but the newer models improve in speed, and video clips often have a 10-second limit. Yes. That is for Luma AI limitation. That is the Dream Machine or Ray 3 of Luma AI. Now let's look at Leonardo AI. Leonardo's AI strength is that it's a powerhouse for AI image generation with extensive asset libraries. It allows you to fine-tune your models like lucid origin and realism, and it gives you precise style control, which is ideal for game assets and branded visuals. It has a strong image to motion animation for stills. It offers good control over artistic style. Now, who is it best for? It's best for artists and developers needing high quality, customizable images and quick, stylistically controlled animations from existing pictures. So, what are the key differences? Well, when it comes to focus, Luma is video-centric with innovative multimodal tech, while Leonardo is a comprehensive art platform that is strong in both static images and animating them. Then if we look at the motion, Luma often achieves more fluid, realistic motion and lighting in text to video, while Leonardo excels at controlling the style and type of motion when animating an image. When it comes to their workflow, Luma is simpler for quick video generation. Leonardo also offers deep customization for art production. In summary, choose Luma AI for accessible cinematic video magic and realistic motion, while you choose Leonardo AI for a versatile production-focused tool for creating style and animating images for games and branding. Hope you found this video helpful.